And we're getting you breaking news from Varanasi that has really become the election capital of the country as it goes to polls less than 24 hours from now. BJP workers, after a raid by the Election Commission observers on the local party office, had come out in protest against repeated action by the Election Commission. The EC officials had raided the BJP office over unaccounted for poll merchandise and campaign material. The BJP workers went on an offensive, shouting slogans, claiming the poll body is selectively targeting the party. The BJP had in recent past really hit out at the Election Commission over denial of permission for one of Narendra Modi's rally. The BJP had really gone on the offensive, and now BJP workers taking to the streets after a raid was carried out by EC officials on account of unaccounted for poll merchandise. We have Ankit Tyagi joining us on the phone line for more on the story. Ankit, Arun Jaitley, speaking to Karan Thapar, went on to say that the BJP leadership will not drag on the issue, that confrontation that they've had with the Election Commission. Clearly, the cadre feel otherwise, considering the repeated action that they claim they are being targeted for.
Well, absolutely. This is what the BJP's complaint in Varanasi has been. They believe they have been alleging that Election Commission is selectively targeting them. Also, very clearly saying that it seems that the poll panel is biased and is influenced by the state government. That is something that the Election Commission has refuted time and again. This incident that has just taken place in Sigra, this is just about 2 kilometers from the BJP's main election war room. It's a Gulabagh area, regional office of the Bharatiya Janata Party. According to the flying squad of Election Commission and the sources that were present at the raid, they said that some merchandise related to the elections, there were some Narendra Modi t-shirts there, also some posters and flags along with badges.
Right.
That was something that was being taken out of this office for distribution, and that is why the flying squad of the Election Commission has raided this. Remember, today there is absolutely no flags or posters or any publicity material can be used across Banaras.
Right.
Yesterday the campaigning was over. The BJP workers there now are protesting and are threatening a dharna as in front of the DM's residence.
But Ankit, this is something that even the most unbiased political observers will ask. On one hand, you have the case of Rahul Gandhi, who's been photographed inside polling booths on 3 occasions in Amethi, and there's photographic proof for that. And on the other hand, the BJP being targeted for some posters and badges a day ahead of elections.
This is something that of course can be questioned, but one thing is if you go by the code of conduct and also by the rules of polling, today there cannot be a distribution of any publicity material, and the election officers on the spot, those who have raided this office, say that the BJP workers were being given bundles of these t-shirts and these merchandise to be distributed in the rural area of Banaras. That is clearly a violation of the poll code, and that is why it has been raided. The BJP, on the other side, in their defense, has been saying that this was just being shifted to a godown, and if the Election Commission has selectively targeted them just to create some sensation as far as Banaras is concerned. Tomorrow, remember, 6 a.m. is when the polling starts, and it's just a few hours to go. Heavy security deployment as far as this entire exercise is going to be taking place.
Right. Ankit, do stay on with us. And my colleague Ankit Tyagi is reporting from Varanasi, saying it's not a question of whether or not there is selective action against the BJP. If there is a poll code violation, action has to be taken. And that's something that the BJP brought up.